Hi dear, today we'll see the activity 6.3 in the life process. Okay, so this activity 6.1 and 6.2 shows that chlorophyll and carbon dioxide is essential for photosynthesis process. And here in the activity 6.3 we are going to show that salivary amylase present in the saliva digests the starch. Okay, you know that the digestion of food takes place starts in the mouth itself, in the buccal cavity itself, right. What is present in that salivary gland? It secretes enzyme called salivary amylase, right. It break down the starch into a simple sugar, that is glucose, right. So we are going to prove that this salivary amylase digests the starch here, okay, in this activity. Okay, so for this you need some starch solution and your saliva, that's it. Okay, so first step, take 1 ml starch solution, that is 1% in 2 test tubes A and B. That means take 1 ml starch solution. 1% means 1 gram of starch in 100 ml. 100 ml distilled water. 100 ml distilled water, that means 1 percentage. Okay, 1 gram of starch in 100 ml distilled water. It has to be mixed, and you have to take 1 ml in each test tube A and test tube B. Okay, mark it as test tube A and test tube B. Add 1 ml saliva to the test tube A only. So you are going to mix the saliva, 1 ml saliva, into test tube A only. Okay, now leave step 3, leave both the test tube undisturbed for 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, so during this digestion of breakdown of starch will take place by the salivary amylase present in the saliva. Okay, after this, add few drops, after 20 minutes or 30 minutes, add few drops of dilute iodine solution to the test tube. You know that iodine solution for testing the presence of starch, right. So what will you observe in that? If you add dilute iodine solution to that, what will you observe? In the test tube A, what is present? Starch solution is there, your saliva is there, plus iodine we have put after 30 minutes, right. So since saliva is present in the test tube A, it digests the starch into simple glucose, right. So this iodine will not react with the simple sugar. Okay, so there is no color change. So in the test tube A, where we put this saliva, there is no color change because there is no starch present in this. All the starch is converted into glucose, simple sugar. Okay, this iodine will not act on this simple sugar, so there is no color change. Okay, in case of test tube B, only starch solution is there plus iodine. If you put iodine, because of the starch, the color changes to blue black, that is purple based color, right. Simply we'll write changes to blue color. Okay, starch plus iodine, so iodine reacts on the starch and changes into blue color. Okay, so what is the conclusion from this activity? That saliva acts on the starch and digests it and changes into simple sugar called glucose. That's it. Okay, so you know that the digestion starts in the mouth itself, where this enzyme salivary amylase digests the or break down the starch into a simple sugar called glucose. Okay, thank you.